Action.
Choke up or down?
Up, I think. Whatever opposite of what it was.
Okay. Am I up to you?
There you go.
It's on. I think. Oh no, that's the fuel line.
Oh!
Don't give it no gas. You still got the choke off?
Yeah.
Alright.
Take it off? No.
No. Alright, give it a little.
First crank is going to start.
Cuss all you want. I'll rate this video. Cuss a little bit, Sean. Whoa.
You don't mess with together, don't you?
It's been a while, folks.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, that's an old start, cold start for you, folks. Wonder what Flooded Caddy would say about that.
What?
Flooded Caddy. That's that guy's name on YouTube.
Oh.
He likes anything that's pedal pumping,
Yeah.
but this is throttle twisting.